to set up your smart home in your phone but don't know how? Don't worry, I will show you how to connect the Raizo Zigbee gateway step by step. Here in front of me is the RaizoSmart Zigbee gateway. First, plug in the gateway and connect it to power. Wait until the blue and red lights turn on. Then wait until the light start blinking. Next, open the RaizoSmart app on your phone. If you haven't installed it yet, download it from the App Store or Play Store, search for RaizoSmart and install. For first-time users, tap Sign Up, then enter your email, enter your verification code, set your password, and allow all permission. Once done, the app will bring you to the home section. At the top, tap Add Device. Then select Gateway Control, Wireless Gateway Zigbee. The app will ask for location permission. Tap Set Now, then choose Allow while using app. Make sure your Wi-Fi is 2.4 GHz as this gateway only supports 2.4 GHz. Enter your Wi-Fi password. If a pop-up appears, tap Continue anyway. Now, make sure the gateway is still blinking as we are connecting it to the phone. Tick Blinking, then wait until it's connecting. And that's it, your gateway is successfully connected to your phone. Once the gateway is connected, you can start adding other smart home devices into the system. Want to control your aircon, fan, and TV all in one phone? Here's how to connect the IR Universal Remote in RaizoSmart. First, connect the IR cable and power on the device. Wait until the LED light start blinking, then open the RaizoSmart app. Go to Home and tap Add Device. Scroll down, find Others, then select Universal Remote Control. Next, choose your Wi-Fi network, then tap Continue anyway. Make sure the IR LED is still blinking so it can connect to your phone. Wait a moment while it's connecting. And done, your IR device is successfully connected. Now, I will show you how to add an appliance. Let's use aircon as an example. To connect any appliance, make sure the original remote uses infrared signal. If it uses RF signal, it won't be able to connect. Already connected your IR. Now I will show you how to add an aircon in the app. In the RaizoSmart app, go to Smart IR, tap Add at the bottom. You can add many devices here, but I will show you aircon as an example. Select aircon, then choose your brand. For example, I'm using Daikin, so I will select Daikin. Point the IR devices toward the aircon. Now, we need to find the correct signal. Tap Switch to test if the aircon responds. If it doesn't work, tap another one to try a different signal. Repeat until you find the correct one. Once the aircon responds, tap Can Control, then tap OK. Finally, rename your device to something easy to remember. Now, I will show you how to connect a Zigbee smart lock to the app. First, we need to set up the smart lock. Press 2#, then enter the admin passcode and press # to confirm. Wait until the smart lock starts blinking. Next, open the RaizoSmart app, go to the home section and tap Add Device. Select Camera and Locks, then choose Lock Zigbee. If a pop-up appears, tap Zigbee Gateway. Make sure the smart lock is still blinking, then tap Next. Wait a moment until the connection process is complete. And that's it, your smart lock is now successfully connected to the app. Now let's try to unlock the smart lock directly from the phone. Enter the admin password to unlock. Tap Edit and enter the registration number that you set earlier on the smart lock. In this app, you can also check access records, who entered or left the house, including via card or passcode. All records are saved in the app, making it easier to monitor. You can also create a temporary passcode. Go to Settings and set the date and time for the passcode, perfect for guests or homestay. You can also create your own custom passcodes, all available in the setting. There are many more features you can explore based on your needs. Now, you can control your smart lock directly from your phone, easier and more secure. Now I will show you how to connect a smart switch in the app. Still in the RaizoSmart app, go to the home section, select Zigbee gateway, then tap sub-device. Make sure the smart switch LED is still blinking so it can connect to the app. Wait a moment while it's connecting. Once it's done, tap next and you are all set. Now you can use all the smart switch features in the app. To rename the switch, tap Edit and set any name you prefer. For additional settings like timers or schedules, go to the Settings section. Wait till the end to explore all the features available for the smart switch. Finish setting up all your devices? Now let me show you what else you can do in the app. After setting up Zigbee, IR, Smart Lock, and Smart Switch, you can explore more features in the RaizoSmart app. There are many useful features available. For example, you can organize your home into different rooms, like the living room, bedroom, or kitchen. Then, you can assign devices to each room. This makes everything more organized and easier to control.